is Vaibhavi Jaswal welcoming you all in RS News channel. Top news headlines are School news. Speech competition held on 5th October. Second round of Shlok chanting competition held on 7th October. PTM and a parenting session held in Raj English School on 8th October. National news. Cloudburst in Sikkim, death toll rises to 14. IPS Rashmi Shukla started Pune's Buddy Cop. International news. Israel's president Telegram channel briefly hacked. Russia kills 49 in attack in northeast Ukraine. CBSE related news. Private budget schools in Telangana plan to shift. Meta partners with education and skill development ministries. Entertainment news. Khufia 2 Loki Season 2 latest OTT releases. Aishwarya Rai, John Abraham and others at L'Oreal Paris event. Sports news. ICC World Cup 2023 England vs New Zealand. Neeraj Chopra wins gold medal. Netizens call him legend. Scout and Guide news. 3-day Scout and Guide camp concluded. Formation of ad hoc committee of Bharat Scouts and Guide. Educational news. SSC MTS result 2023 to be declared shortly. IIT Madras hosts Water Security and Climate Adaptation Conference. Let's meet after a break. Let's know these headlines in detail. School news. Speech competition on the topic Mahatma Gandhi, Father of the Nation was held on 5th October for classes 6th to 12th. Second round of Shlok chanting competition was held on 7th October, in which the students qualified from the first round of Shlok chanting competition chanted the Shlok in group for a time limit of 8 minutes. Parents-teachers meeting had and half-yearly exam result declaration held on 8th October. Also, a parenting session was arranged at Raj English School auditorium. Its resource person was Abid Akhtar Ansari. National news. In the Sikkim cloudburst, death toll rises to 14, over 100 missing, PM assures help. IPS Rashmi Shukla started Pune's Buddy Cop. Rashmi Shukla in the latest appointee for post DGP in Maharashtra while she stamped Buddy Cop initiative. International news. Israel's president Telegram channel briefly hacked. The Telegram channel of Israel's president Isaac Herzog was briefly hacked. At least 49 people, including a 6-year-old boy, were killed in Russian attack on a cafe in northeastern Europe. CBSE related news. All the schools of private budget in the state of Telangana plans to shift to CBSE curriculum. Facebook partner Meta said it has entered into a 3-year partnership with Education Ministry as well as Skill Development Ministry. Entertainment news. With a lineup of over 10 shows releasing in coming days, there is something for everyone's taste. L'Oreal Paris hosted an event at iconic Gateway of India, Mumbai, where Aishwarya Rai, Aditi Rao Hidari, John Abraham, Shefali Shah and others were seen. Sports news. England vs New Zealand World Cup match going to be held in Ahmedabad, a soft launch at biggest stadium. Neeraj Chopra waves the national flag after securing gold medal in men's javelin throw final event at 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, China. Scout and Guide news. The 3-day Scout and Guide camp going on in Government Inter-College School located in Salampur village, Uttar Pradesh was concluded. Ad hoc committee has been constituted for Operation and Bharat Scouts and Guide East Champarans. Educational news. The SSC MTS Tier 1 results will be declared anytime soon. The objective of his conference by IIT Madras is to exchange knowledge onto the relationship between water security and adaptation to climate change. Stay tuned with RS News. Thank you.